What's good, everybody? We're about to check out Agnes Mo and Jay Park party in Bali. First of all, I've never been to Bali. I really want to visit. I heard it's beautiful. Beautiful things, you know what I'm saying? I mean, I have been to a lot of other places like Hawaii and like, you know, the Philippines and of course, you know, in Cebu and like, I never been to Jeju actually. Anyways, Bali, party in Bali, PIB. First of all, they had me at Agnes Mo and then they had me at Jay Park. Actually, quick little fact, little note. One of my homies, Justin, has appeared in the Agnes Mo music video with Sierra. It's like a small moment, but I thought that was so dope. Here we are, Agnes Mo and Jay Park, party in Bali. Let's get it. Do I need captions? Nah, I don't need it. In 3, 2, 1, let's go. Agnes Mo. Little coffee. Oh, she getting her makeup did. Oh, she looks so cute. Whoa. Oh, I like that. I like that effect. It was from raw footage to like color corrected. Yeah. Or just like more highlighted the color sense. Because obviously when you film raw, it does look like this. Boom. That was pretty. That was nice. So what's with you and Agnes? Oh, Jay Park be everywhere.
그냥
How many music video girlfriends he got, bro? I feel like this. I've seen this plot so many times in Jay Park's career.
Are you guys a thing or?
Ooh. Wait, what did he say? What did he say? Did he say anything?
그래서 아그네스랑은 어떤 사이신 거예요?
저랑 아그네스요? 그냥
She's so cute. I love her hair.
I think Jay and I, we...
What you do? Nah. Ooh, that wine be hitting, I bet. Okay. Oh, this is cute. The little live home footage. Ooh. Love a good Jay Park, you know. Jay Park just singing. Ooh. Okay, Jay. That's that little like flick game. Oh, they're a little flirty. Ooh, her lashes though. Hey, don't slow down. Hey. Hey. Ooh. Hey, I want to party in Bali. What is this situationship? Excuse me. Ooh.
Party trip and take a shot. We just wanna drink a lot. You just wanna get me. Send me out there to get me started. Doing the things that you do.
Hey.
I really don't want you to miss this party.
Hey.
I wanna turn up the music.
This seems like a chill ass like music video shoot too. Pop that shit. Better pop. Did she say pop that shit? Oh, pop that shit, right? I love when people pop that shit. You know what I'm saying? Popping bottles, popping that puh, popping that ass. Ooh, okay, side eye.
So what's next for you two?
Ooh.
Bali?
Yeah, we're actually going to Bali after this.
I think we need to go. We might be,
I know, sorry guys.
might miss our flight.
Yeah, we gotta go now. Yeah, let's...
What an awkward like exit. It's like I think we need to go. Like now. Hey. I mean, the music and video is literally how I expect it. Like, get lit, good vibes, party in Bali. I wish they showed more. I wish they like shot in Bali a bit. But I'm pretty sure like schedule wise and everything. Ah, cute. Oh damn. I have never paid attention to J Park's finger tats. King.
Let's go.
This feels like a commercial. Like a commercial for like a an airline to Bali. To be honest, I think the only thing, I wish they showed a bit of Bali in this. This is just all in the studio, right? Or even like, I feel like that's my only like sad, like I wish moment. But it's like they busy, they booked and ready.
아그네스랑은 어떤
Maybe the next music video with them, if they ever have one, is them in Bali. That'd be nice.
그냥
Are you double dating or? I think Jay and I, we.
Anyone that says, listen, Miss Ma'am, I think me and so and so are like, we are a situationship.
Jay and I, we.
Look at these eyes. Look at these. Looking at like Jay Park from afar, or like your manager. Like, well, how should I say this? What are we? It's a what are we moment. But they having fun based on like how this story is being told. Where's this being shot at? Actually, the home footage, is that like a festival? Cause like it looks like they're just getting ready to like go on like some festival. I don't know what. Let me like stalk a little bit on IG for a bit. If there's like the same outfits. Let me see, AGNEZ or what was this? Fun at Billboard, and they just like shot a little bit. Yeah, they booked and busy. They everywhere. Oh girl, let me follow you. Put a comment down below to all my audience, to my subscribers, to my dreamers. If you want me to check out more AGNEZ, recommend me some songs to check out. I've heard of her, but I've definitely checked out her songs, but I feel like I haven't done like reviews or reactions to her stuff enough. See you in Bali. Hey, if there's a part 2 where they go to Bali, all right, y'all, put a comments down below what you guys think. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. This is your boy Dre from the YouTube channel JREKML. You see him right here, right in effect. Keep on dreaming, dreamers, dream, believe, do, repeat. If you have a dream out there, put some hard work into it, it might just come true. Ooh. And go check out AGNEZ and J Park's new song in MV, Party in Bali. And yeah, go stream it, y'all. All right, y'all. Till next time, everybody. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to follow and subscribe to my Patreon. We got first listens. We also got reactions to lives that I can't post on YouTube. And if a reaction gets blocked, it's uploaded here too. And we got anime reactions as well. We react to variety shows. Please recommend me a K-drama that you want me to react to. So be sure to follow the Patreon and see you guys there. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.